In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Base44 project to WordPress. We'll start inside Base44. Open your browser, go to the Base4 app, and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so you're looking at the right projects. Once you're in, head to the apps area. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the main navigation. This is where all of your projects live, so it's the quickest way to locate what you want to publish. From the list of apps, click the one you want to add to WordPress. Opening the app ensures you're working with the most recent version of your content and settings. If you've made changes, it's a good moment to glance over them so you know exactly what you're about to put live. Inside the app, find the Publish option. Publishing creates a live, shareable build that the web can reach. If the button looks disabled, save your changes first, then try again. After you click Publish, choose Web as the target. Selecting Web tells Base44 to generate a web-ready version of your project, and that's what you'll use on the WordPress side. Give the system a moment to finish building if it needs to. When the web build is ready, copy the URL that Base4 provides. This is the link to your live app. Before moving on, paste it into a new browser tab to make sure it loads correctly, and keep that link handy. You'll need it in the next step. Now, switch over to WordPress and use the connect flow from your dashboard. Follow the prompts to connect your site as directed. When asked what you want to connect or where to point a domain, provide the Base4 web address you just copied if that option is presented. The exact wording can vary based on your plan and setup, but the goal is to associate your WordPress presence with the live Base4 web app you published. After you've completed the connection, visit your site as a visitor would and confirm that it opens your Base4 project or routes where you expect. If something doesn't look right, double check that the Base44 link is the full HTTPS URL. Make sure the app is published and not set to private, and give it a minute if you've just made DNS or connection changes. Clearing your browser cache can also help reveal the latest version. That's it. You've published your Base44 project to the web, copied the live URL, and connected it through WordPress so visitors can reach it smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy building.